Starting a paid newsletter is fairly easy. In about a half an hour, you can create a newsletter from scratch and start collecting those email addresses. But before you do that, there are a few key decisions you have to make first. One of those decisions being the price. Angel Marie here, the creator educator at ConvertKit, here to walk you through the 5 necessary steps to find the perfect price for your paid newsletter. Let's dive in. Step number 1, check out how much other paid newsletter creators are charging. The average paid newsletter charges about $11 a month, but some do drop lower than that, just like Career Capital by Barrett Brooks, who charges $5 a month. Higher pricing numbers can work really well too, just like Petition's $49 a month rate. Step 2, get clear on the value your newsletter provides. Now, generally speaking, the greater the impact the topic has on the person's life, the more you can charge for your paid newsletter. For example, career, business, or finance topics tend to charge more for their paid newsletters versus essays or recipes. For example, Ask Molly is a personal essay paid newsletter in which she charges $5 a month, versus the Bitcoin Forecast, who charges $50 a month featuring investment advice. Step 3. Work out how many subscribers you need. Not every free subscriber is going to turn into a paying customer. A 5% conversion from free to paid newsletter subscriber is a great place to start. This means that if you want to reach 500 paying subscribers, you'll likely need about 10,000 people on your email list. Step number 4, set an achievable revenue target. Let's say you want to make $2,000 a month. If you're shooting for 500 paying subscribers, you'll need to charge them $4 per month. Last but not least, step number 5, understand your newsletter operating costs. When you compare the options, make sure that you run the numbers against your target number of subscribers and the price of your paid newsletter, since transaction fees are normally involved, along with any other marketing tools you're currently using. Now that we understand the steps to finding the perfect price for your paid newsletter, let's quickly walk through what it looks like to set up a recurring paid newsletter right in ConvertKit. The first step you're going to take is to head into the Product tab right at the top. Then you'll click on New Product. From there, you'll give your paid newsletter a name, and then you'll give it a pricing method. Now, to set up recurring payments for your newsletter, choose the subscription option. The frequency of these recurring payments, either monthly, quarterly, or yearly, and then how much you're charging within that frequency. From here, you'll click Next, and then specify what it is that you're selling, which in this case is a paid newsletter. Click Next and give your paid newsletter product page a customized link so you can easily share it with others. From here, click Create Product. It will then redirect you to where you can edit and customize your paid newsletter product page with a name, a really strong, high-converting subtitle, an image that you can upload from Instagram, Unsplash, or from your desktop. You can also add in your brand colors and additional context, including the ability to add more creative components to your page by clicking on the content block right here. From here, you can also further customize the checkout page for your subscribers, the confirmation page, and the email receipt that your buyers will receive from you the minute they purchase access to your newsletter. And now when you're ready to begin sharing your paid newsletter with the world, go ahead and click Save, Publish, and then copy and paste this link to share it online. And that's all it takes. If you'd like to give it a try, you can check it out for yourself for free by heading to the link right down below. Until next time, keep creating.